This is my last video of the night. This is Caitlin with Luminous Skin Lab, and I just wanted to share a few things about myself and recover antioxidants and a few of my favorite skincare products that are very antioxidant rich that I'm using now and highly recommend going into summer. So I am Aries Sun, Aries Moon, Cancer Rising. And if you know anything about astrology, I have 3 houses in my 10th house of Aries, which falls under career, which is why you can see I'm so passionate about my career and really embodying wellness from within, mind, body, spirit from within. And that's how I picked my name, Luminous Skin Lab, for my business name, because anyone can have beautiful skin, but it's an inner reflection and it's a result of good health and everything functionally optimally on the inside, doing the work. I haven't always had perfect skin. In my early 20s, I did have a food allergy to almonds, which I discovered the hard way, but after clearing that up, I learned really that gut skin connection, that beautiful skin lies within, and your gut health is everything. So enough about that. I'm gonna talk about a few quick products real quick, what I'd recommend going into summertime. First, my 2 favorite serums right now that I could not live without: Osmosis MD Stim Factor and Osmosis MD Replenish. Osmosis Stim Factor has 600 different growth factors, skin proteins, skin peptides. So it really works on stimulating new fibroblasts, new growth factors in the skin. It really works on the future health of the skin cells, and it's going to aid in skin firming, skin rejuvenation, and keeping your skin hydrated. I use it with all my microneedling treatments. This is a great one you should use first thing. You can use it morning and night. It's just going to help support your collagen. The second serum I highly recommend that I could not live without in summertime, Arizona, is Replenish MD. It's amazing. 17 different antioxidants to help brighten the skin, protect, fight off from free radical damage. It has glutathione, astaxanthin, which that is a powerhouse ingredient. If you didn't know, it has over 2 million in oxygen radical absorption capacity. So what that means is it protects against free radical damage long after many other things can. The recommended dosage is around 80,000 a day that you obtain from diet, but replenishing with your skin, you want to eat antioxidant rich foods to further prevent premature aging. This is really good for brightening and preventing damage to your skin. They pair amazing together. If I could recommend 2 serums, these would be it. I'm obsessed. I couldn't live without them. And for anyone who missed my last demo, I wanted to redo it because it's really understand the importance of why you need to up your antioxidant intake in the summer, especially if you are in Arizona where it is 117 degrees right now. So I'm just going to show you real quick. This is going to be a short live today. My husband is probably wondering where I'm at right now. So this glass here is just water, but it's going to show you just the power that antioxidants have to prevent premature aging. So this could be smoking, toxins, stress, environmental damage, negative energy, bad people, bad environments. All of those things contribute to damage at a DNA level. A big one too, food toxins, drinking on the weekends, that extra glass of wine. As you can see here, the water is pretty cloudy. All this is iodine. It's just representing toxins, how they affect the body. And the importance of why you should wear sunscreen, up your antioxidants every day, but especially in the summertime, because it does prevent premature aging from happening. I did my demo with something else last time, so today I want to do the Citrus and Kale Serum by Eminence Organic. Upon using in 3 hours, it's a 47% free radical reduction, which is pretty incredible even after You wash your skin, you're still getting that antioxidant protection. Has citrus, kale, vitamin C, a lot of nutrient-rich items. And I want to show you here by adding in fruits, vegetables, yoga, deep breathing, meditation, clean diet, alkaline water, all these things that help to oxidize your cells. Notice how instantly that water is turning back. Again, organic diet, healthy breathing, deep breathing, meditation, antioxidant-rich foods, applying all your good skincare serums. And my favorite that I just applied, Replenish ND by osmosis. And I'm gonna stir this around. And as you can see, that water completely goes back clear. And that's just showing the importance again of upping your antioxidant intake in the summertime to prevent against free radical damage. But I also wanted to show you the part 2 of this. So even after you're applying your antioxidants, you're wearing your sunscreen every day, that's still protecting you when you come across toxins or pollution, smoke, anything, that this still has all the iodine in here. But I want to show you what happens by adding a little more vitamin C. And what happens when I add in more toxins after your skin's been oxidized. Or not oxidized, but after you've replenished your skin, which is what antioxidants do. So I'm reintroducing those toxins back to the skin. And watch what happens when I stir. Your little science lesson of the day. You notice the water does not go to that bright red because you have so much antioxidant protection. It's fighting off from toxins and free radicals. So it just shows the importance of eating healthy and having an antioxidant-rich alkaline diet, and how that can further protect against premature aging and damage done to the skin. That is all I have for my demo today. That second thing I added in that I highly recommend, you can add this to any moisturizer, any mask. This is a stabilized form of vitamin C, so it does not oxidize. You don't have to worry about it going bad. You do still want to keep it in the right environment, but you can add it to a moisturizer, anything, and you're getting that extra vitamin C, especially in the summertime. It's going to help prevent pigmentation from coming up. I was born and raised in Alaska. I love the sunshine, but I'm also smart about my sun. I wear sunscreen. If I'm going to enjoy the sun, I'm making sure to protect my skin, to reapply, and that's ultimately what helps prevent that damage and pigment from coming up, especially if you're in Arizona in 117-degree weather right now. So again, this one here is the Superfood Booster Powder. It can be mixed with any moisturizer. You're getting a few different forms of vitamin C. It's my favorite, mixed with this bakuchiol niacinamide moisturizer. It's a plant retinol alternative, so it's going to help with firming, brightening, lightening. They pair really nice together, and that's also going to help with aging and preventing pigment from coming up. And the last thing I'm going to touch base on today is my HydroGlo Jelly Mask by Luminous Skin Lab, Glutathione. I have talked about this one before, but glutathione is the master antioxidant, is great for replenishing skin, repairing at a DNA level, and it helps to suppress that melanocytes and melanin in the skin to prevent pigment from coming up and surfacing. It's a really good brightening treatment in the summer, whether you live in Arizona or you don't. This is my favorite brightening treatment, HydroGlo Jelly Mask by Luminous Skin Lab. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. You can write anything in the comments. And I'm officially leaving work and going home. Thank you for anyone who tuned in today. And just a quick recap, if I could recommend 2 products, my top picks that I Use daily are Osmosis Stim Factor MD, this growth factor serum to work on the future health of my skin, help to stimulate growth factors and fibroblast, and Replenish MD, my favorite antioxidant serum right now. Goes on very lightweight. This MD formula is 20% stronger, so 17 different antioxidants to help brighten, has a pharmaceutical grade delivery system to help you absorb the antioxidants better, and it's also protecting it against damage. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me to book a facial. You can go online, or to purchase a jelly mask, you can go to www.jelly-mask.com. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great night.